Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool 16 cubic foot, about 3-year-old upright freezer, and it's in like new condition, and I'm going to show you real quick that everything's working perfectly on it. I've got my temperature gun here, and right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So you can see as we shine it on different things, you get a different result with the temperature there in Fahrenheit. So we'll go ahead and open it up, show you the inside. Since it's anywhere from about a -8 to -15, just kind of depends on where you're shining it. But absolutely freezing in here, and then on the inside you can see, like I said, like new condition on everything. You've got some controls here that allow you to set it for faster cooling or, lower cooling. I'm not sure why you'd want it less frozen, but you have those options. There's your tag. You can see the date here. It's 2017 is when it was manufactured, so it's just 2 or 3 years old as far as from when it was purchased anyway. You've got several different shelves that are adjustable, and you've got a little catch in case you wanted to put some stuff down in the bottom. And it's frost-free, self-defrosting. It does all of that, so you never have to worry about frost buildup. And then all of these are in perfect shape there. Seal is in perfect condition. Like I said, overall it's like brand new. So we'll go ahead and get this listed up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I just do these videos that way you can see, especially if you're going to drive a little distance to purchase something, that when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to list my items up for sale. So thanks for watching my video. Y'all have a great day.